Let's learn to install Laravel version 8.0 on Windows using Composer. Composer is a package manager for PHP, which means it fetches your dependencies of your project and install them in your current working directory. I'm currently on Composer's official website, which is getcomposer.org. If you have never used Composer, this video would be a great starting point and you will learn some basics here. From here, let's download Composer installation file. For Windows, Composer have this .exe file which basically sets up everything for us. I have downloaded this file and I will run it. You see, it's just like installing any other Windows application. It's just a basic installer. So I will go with all the default options. One quick note before installing Composer, make sure PHP is already installed on your machine. If not, pause this video and install PHP first. It will take a couple of seconds to finish the installation, and once it is finished, we can just exit the installer and we will verify our installation with command prompt using command composer -- version, and this gives us our current Composer version installed on this machine. And if I enter command php -- version, it will show the current version of PHP, which is in my case PHP 8. With all this setup, we are now ready to run our first Composer command, which is composer require, and we will run a command with a special keyword attached to it, which is composer global require Laravel /installer. With this, Composer is now fetching Laravel installer, and the global keyword means we will be able to run Laravel installer from any location, as it is installed in a global vendor directory. Once we are done here, we will check our Laravel installer with the command Laravel -- version. You see, we now have our Laravel installer version, and with this, we are ready to create our first Laravel app. Using command Laravel new followed by our project name, let's call it quick app Laravel. Now the installer will be fetching all the required dependencies which will be required to run Laravel automatically. You just have to wait because Composer is little bit slow, but it makes installation a lot easier. I will just fast forward the video for the sake of this tutorial, but once this process is complete, you will see a message, application ready. And at this point, we can navigate into our project directory using cd. And now we can run our app and check it ourselves using command php artisan serve. This command has started a PHP server. Let's go to localhost port 8000, and you see we have a fresh Laravel installation up and running locally. We can now modify our files and start developing an application. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for upcoming updates on Laravel and other exciting technologies.